Hello, young mathematicians. Welcome to our geometry lesson today. We're diving into the wonderful world of circles. Get ready to explore this fascinating shape. Today, we'll be focusing on drawing circles using a compass, and we'll learn about some key parts. The center, the radius, and the diameter. Please turn to page 40 in your activity book. Let's get started. First things first, what is a circle? A circle is a perfectly round shape. It's special because every point on the edge of the circle is the same distance from the center. Think of it like a perfectly symmetrical hula hoop. To draw a circle accurately, we use a tool called a compass. It might look a bit intimidating at first, but don't worry, it's easy to use once you get the hang of it. Let's get our compasses and pencils ready. A compass has two main parts. One side has a sharp point, and the other side holds your pencil. To start, hold the compass gently between your fingers. Place the sharp point of the compass firmly on your paper. This point is very important. It's where the center of your circle will be. This point will not move while you are drawing. Now, carefully rotate the pencil side of the compass around the center point. Try to keep the same distance between the center point and the pencil. As you move around, keep a steady pace as you move the pencil around the center point. As you rotate the compass, you'll see a perfect circle forming. It's important to keep the compass steady, so you don't change the size of your circle while you are drawing it. You did it! You have drawn your first circle. Now that we know how to draw a circle, let's learn about its parts. First, the center. The center is the middle point of the circle. This is where you place the sharp point of your compass. It's the very heart of the circle. Next, we have the radius. The radius is a line segment that goes from the center of the circle to any point on the edge of the circle. Imagine a straight line from the center to the edge. That's the radius. It's the same distance, no matter which point on the edge you choose. Finally, let's talk about the diameter. The diameter is a line segment that goes across the circle, passing through the center, from one side of the circle to the other. The diameter is twice as long as the radius. If the radius is, let's say, 2 inches, then the diameter is 4 inches. Let's look at page 40 in your activity book now. You'll see some exercises to help you practice drawing circles and identifying the center, radius, and diameter. For example, you might be asked to draw a circle with a radius of a certain length, or to measure the diameter of a given circle. Remember to always use your compass carefully and accurately. If you need help, don't hesitate to ask your teacher or classmates. Drawing circles is a fundamental skill in geometry. Understanding the parts of a circle will help you as you continue to learn more about shapes and spatial reasoning. Circles are everywhere. Think about the wheels on a bike, the face of a clock, or even a pizza. They all use circles. Keep practicing, and you'll become a circle expert in no time. Congratulations on learning about circles today. Remember to practice these concepts in your activity book. And I will see you next time.